Welcome everyone to today's podcast, where we're going to dive into a fascinating story from ancient history and explore how it can inspire us to build something truly groundbreaking in our modern world. I'm Februalin, and today we're talking about the power of unity, the importance of a shared language, and how teams and companies can harness these forces to create holistic value innovation. Let's take a trip back in time to the ancient story of the Tower of Babel. It's a story many of us have heard before. People came together with a singular goal: to build a tower that would reach the heavens. They were united, speaking the same language, understanding one another perfectly. And because of this unity, nothing was out of their reach. They were unstoppable. But then something happened that changed everything. God intervened, not by destroying the tower, but by confusing their language. Suddenly they could no longer communicate as one, and the tower was left unfinished. This story is more than just a tale of ancient ambition. It's a powerful reminder of the strength that comes from unity and the critical role that a shared language plays in achieving great things. Fast forward to today, and the lesson of Babel is just as relevant. In our modern world, the tower might represent the incredible goals we set as companies or teams. Whether that's creating a groundbreaking product, transforming an industry, or driving societal change. But just like the builders of Babel, we need a common language to succeed. And I'm not talking about English, German, or French. I'm talking about a co-creation language, one that allows us to connect on a deeper level. This language isn't about words, it's about understanding. It's about knowing your team's shared values, their vision, and how each member's unique perspective contributes to the whole. It's about recognizing and embracing the different worldviews, cultures, and even the emotional wounds that shape how we relate to one another. This isn't always easy, but when we get it right, we become unstoppable. So how do we design this co-creation language? It starts with alignment. You need to ensure everyone on the team knows where you're headed and why. It's about setting a shared vision that everyone can buy into. But beyond that, it's also about creating a space where people can bring their whole selves to the table, where their passions, their experiences, and yes, even their wounds can contribute to something greater. A co-creation language framework isn't something you impose. It's something you build together. It's about having open dialogues where every voice is heard, and where differences are seen not as obstacles but as opportunities for innovation. It's about cultivating empathy, so team members can truly understand where each person is coming from. This allows you to bridge gaps, connect deeply, and work as one unit toward a common goal. Imagine what your team or company could achieve if everyone spoke this co-creation language. If everyone was aligned in vision, connected in values, and fully understood how to relate to one another, your potential would be limitless. You'd be able to innovate in ways that others might think impossible. You'd create solutions that are not only effective but holistic, considering the needs of every stakeholder involved. In a way, this is our modern-day Tower of Babel. Not in the sense of reaching the heavens, but in reaching new heights of innovation and impact. And just like in the ancient story, the key to success lies in our ability to communicate, to connect, and to co-create. At Game and Bold, we love to connect with socially responsible companies to help develop co-creation language frameworks that ignite creativity and continuous growth. Drop us a line at gameandbold.com if you're up for this adventure. Let's take this lesson from history and use it to build something truly extraordinary today. By developing a co-creation language framework, we can make our teams and companies unstoppable. We can create holistic value innovation that not only meets our goals but transforms the way we work together.